guys, thank you for checking out RotorSpray. Here tonight I got a couple of spares with us here. I got the RS8, it's a multi-rotor, GPS guided, autopilot, the whole bit, and then behind it I have a T-Rex 800 with a 5-liter spray tank on it, and it's fully manual. The T-Rex 800 is, we're making a kit that attaches to your existing T-Rex 700, 800, or a Goblin 770 or 700. So you can choose whether you want the multi-rotor style or the conventional helicopter. We have a few different styles of the multi-rotor. This is a 3.5 liter. We'll have a 5 liter and an 8 liter and more to come that are bigger. So tonight here I'm at a job site. This is a pole shed that is being built. The mosquitoes are pretty bad, so what we're going to do is go and spray some insecticide. Of course, you can spray insecticide for insects. You can spray fungicide for disease in crops. You can spray herbicides to kill maybe dandelions in your lawn, or maybe some weeds that you just don't want in your crops. You might ask, what is the point of a smaller helicopter? Well, just for tonight is a perfect example. This area is fairly small, but the bugs are pretty bad, and if you want to work here, it's not too enjoyable. So what we can do tonight is take either one of these and go spray this immediate area. It'll take us just a couple minutes, and the bugs will be gone for about 2 weeks. If you were to hire maybe a full-size plane or full-size helicopter, it would take a while to book them to come in. Plus, you're going to have to spray a bigger area. It's not really worth spraying a really small plot with a big helicopter. So it's a lot of cost savings there, and you're able to get into really tight places. And just maybe for some reference too, 3.5 liters doesn't sound like a lot, but if you do straight concentrated mix on ultra low volume, 3.5 liters can do about 3 or 4 acres at ultra low volume. So it's quite a bit, and acre, just for a rule of thumb, is 16.5 feet wide and about half a mile long. So this does have the ability to do 3. Normally we mix some water in it to dilute it. It just seems to work a little bit better that way, and we'll spray about an acre with the amount of fluid we carry. Very basic controls. As you can see right now, it's just hovering. So if I want to move it, stabilize it, on and off, stop. Spray on, turn it off. so as you can see the differences between the two helicopters. This one here is a lot harder to fly, but if your skills are up to it, it's way more agile and way faster. The multi-rotor on the other hand is really easy to fly. It's a little bit slower, a little bit less agile, but you're able to get into some really tight places with it. So I guess there's a system for each and everyone's skill level, and you can choose which one you want or both. Stay tuned for more updates. If you want to get a hold of us, email us at sales@rotorspray.com, or you can email me at chaoschoppers@ymail.com.